Begin by logging into your Square account. Visit squareup.com in your web browser and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, locate and click on the Transactions tab in your Square dashboard. This will display your transaction history. Apply filters to narrow down your data. Select the desired date range. Choose a specific location if you have multiple, and pick the transaction type you want to export. Once your filters are set, click the Export button. Choose CSV as the export format to download your transaction data in a spreadsheet-compatible file. After selecting CSV, the file will download to your device. Save it in a location where you can easily find it for opening in spreadsheet software. To view your data, open the downloaded CSV file in spreadsheet software. You can use Excel by selecting from Text CSV or simply open it in Google Sheets, where it will display as a spreadsheet with your transaction details. Remember to ensure your account has the necessary permissions, such as admin or owner role, to perform exports. Also note that Square limits exports to 10,000 transactions per file, automatically compressing larger datasets. Once you've downloaded the CSV, you can open it in a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. The CSV file contains structured data, including transaction date, amount, payment method, itemized sales, and associated fees, presented in columns. Note that sensitive information like full card numbers is excluded for security purposes. Be aware of potential data hygiene issues, such as incomplete exports, like missing refunds, which can lead to audit errors. This data is crucial for tasks like reconciliation, tax filings, and business analytics. Regularly exporting and analyzing this data helps identify trends, discrepancies, and potential fraud. As demonstrated by case studies where businesses have successfully reconciled inventory, migrated accounting systems, and tracked donor information using Square's CSV exports.